Better do my version of, I guess, what exhaust is best for the 2025 Zx6r. Here's cold start. Does sound really mean. If you like a loud exhaust, this is right up anyone's alley. I understand everybody doesn't like stuff this loud, but I think it sounds awesome. It is still catted. I plan on gutting the cat before I get a ECU flash for it, which I'm really trying to do soon. These bikes, if any of y'all own one, you know exactly what I mean. Like, the hesitation in the throttle is insane. Yeah, it sounds really good. It looks really good. I love the look of just the pipe. You just gotta get used to how loud it's gonna be. Headphones or at least a Senna inside your helmet is going to be your best friend. It is super hot today. And my phone said like 91. We will pick it back up once I am not in the town where I can actually rip it out on country road. Wow. So if you like loud, this is definitely the bike for you. Or the exhaust for you, sorry. Bike too, I mean shit, it sounds so good. Straight on the line, buddy. I'm hoping you'll be able to hear me. I'll talk pretty loud, but the wind on this road might get pretty nice. Pretty nice. My buddies always hit this road, so I'm trying to practice it a little bit more so I can hit it with them at the speed they be hitting it. Definitely a dope ass road. Just gotta worry about gravel on it. I want to get a microphone to put behind the bike so you can actually get like a raw POV, just the exhaust noise. The microphone on these Insta360s is decent, but it's nothing crazy good. It is definitely bumpy. Definitely a sharp one. Taking these corners pretty blind, so I'm not trying to go too crazy. I've had the exhaust for about, since a week after I got the bike. It's almost like 3.5 months, something like that. That was stupid, but I had to. I'm not getting stuck behind that. Oh, back tire, lost it there for a second. Hopefully y'all are getting a good example of the Voodoo. It sounds freaking awesome. Absolutely love this exhaust. It's so loud. Yeah, man, I hope y'all been enjoying the videos. I've been trying to put them out as much as I can. And pretty much every time I ride, I'll record, and usually something goofy ends up happening, or at least it's a good ride. I'm gonna keep aiming to at least push out videos at least every other day, or it's been every day so far, but it's just because I haven't been working as much overtime at my job, so I've been able to get more videos on the weekends. Been enjoying the hell out of it. Hoping I can continue to do the same thing. I saw that the exhaust was like a trending topic on YouTube right now, so I thought I'd put my input since I've literally never seen another exhaust video about the Voodoo. Voodoo's always been one of my favorite exhaust companies for motorcycles. Oh man, that felt great. Just straight cool there for a second. Gravel. Couldn't rip it. Sorry, I'm super focused right now. Trying to practice this road, get it down as best I can, remember it. Terrified of birds now. Definitely some improvement to be made, but man, that road is so fun. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this quick video and see what you all thought about it. I mean, you never see anybody post a Voodoo. It's always M4. It's always M4. I mean, I gotta say that. Everybody has M4. You know, I think the Voodoo is definitely underrated. And once I get either a header system for it or I gut the cat out like I've been thinking about and get it tuned, this bike is going to sound and look just perfect. Just perfect. Shooting flames, everything. Wow. Yeah, I don't know what more to say, guys. I mean, I just love this bike, love the exhaust. I've had plenty of people comment on the videos saying that they're gonna buy one of these bikes. You know, all I can say is go for it. You know, as long as you have a little bit of experience behind your belt, I don't see why not. Little grimy boy. Would I recommend this as a first bike? Never. Another perfect example of why you want this bike. Probably pretty windy if I had to assume. my music, guys. I can't lie. It's the one shitty thing about recording with this fucking Insta360s. I have no idea how I can get my music, other than wearing AirPods. Don't think I can have my music playing, record, and you know, still being able to get the audio for the video. So hot, I'm so tempted to just start lane splitting these fucking cars. Ugh, my nuts. Hell yeah, man. Thing looks sweet. What year is it? Hell yeah, man. That looks awesome. This riding? Fuck yeah! That shit was dope as fuck. Alrighty, boys. I think this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you all enjoy. Still don't know how to end this stuff off. Haven't been talking in the videos long enough, but I really do hope y'all enjoyed. Hopefully this will be up today or tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this Voodoo Zx6r 2025 exhaust review. Y'all have a good rest of your day.